Hey everyone, look around you. Our communities are amazing, full of life and energy. But sometimes unseen enemies can threaten our health. Today we're going to talk about one such enemy, cholera. Cholera? What's that, Aisha? It's an illness caused by tiny, invisible germs called bacteria. See these little guys? When these germs get into our bodies, they can make us very, very sick. Once inside, these cholera germs multiply quickly in our intestines. They release a powerful toxin that makes our bodies lose a lot of water and important salts very fast. Lose water? What does that mean for us? It means we become severely dehydrated. Dehydration is when your body doesn't have enough water to function properly. You might feel really thirsty, dizzy, weak, and your eyes can look sunken. For children, dehydration can be extremely dangerous, even life-threatening, because their bodies are smaller, and they lose fluids much faster. So, how do these tiny germs get into our bodies in the first place? Most commonly through contaminated water or food. Imagine water from a river that has cholera germs in it. If we drink that water, or use it to wash our food, the germs can get inside us. Also, if someone with cholera doesn't wash their hands after using the latrine, they can spread the germs to surfaces or food that others might touch. The good news is we can prevent cholera. It starts with simple, everyday actions. Like what? First, drink safe water. If you're not sure, boil your water for at least 1 minute, or use chlorination or sunlight in a process called sodas. Second, wash your hands with soap and clean water before eating, preparing food, and especially after using the latrine. If water isn't available, you can also use hand sanitizer. Third, eat safely prepared food. Make sure your food is cooked thoroughly and keep it covered to protect it from flies. And fourth, use latrines or toilets properly and make sure they are clean.
As a community health worker, I can tell you for sure that it's not just about what we do as individuals. Our whole community plays a vital role. When we work together to keep our water sources clean, build and maintain proper latrines, and educate each other, we make our entire community safer from cholera.
But what if someone does get sick with cholera?
The most important thing is to rehydrate immediately. Remember how cholera makes us lose a lot of water and salts? We need to put those back in. Plain water is good, but oral rehydration solution, or ORS, is much better. ORS contains the right balance of sugars and salts that helps the body absorb water more effectively. It's a lifesaver, especially for children who are so vulnerable to dehydration. Sometimes, you might get ORS packets from your local health center, but there's a more certain way to get ORS. I urge everyone to see the animation on water purification. It describes exactly how to prepare ORS from simple ingredients in your home. It uses clean water, salt, and sugar in proper proportions. Never give a lot of ORS at once to a sick person. Instead, keep giving small, frequent sips.
That sounds like a lot to remember. Who can help us when we need it most?
That's where community health workers like me come in. We are here to help. We can provide immediate care, like giving ORS and teaching families how to care for sick loved ones at home. We also know when someone needs more serious medical attention, and we can help refer them to a clinic or hospital for special care. We are here to support our community during outbreaks and, most importantly, to help prevent them in the first place.
So, now you know about cholera. What it is, how it affects our bodies, how we get it, what to do if we get it, and most importantly, how to prevent it. Remember, those simple steps: safe water, clean hands, safe food, and proper latrines. And if someone does get sick, we know how important rehydration is, especially with ORS, and that our community health workers are there to help. the most powerful tool we have against cholera is knowledge. As they say at Wired, an NGO that trains community health workers, community health begins with knowledge. You can share what you've learned today with your families, friends, and neighbors. By working together, individuals and communities, and with the help of our amazing community health workers, we can keep our communities healthy and cholera-free.